How to set up your Twitch channel for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can set up our Twitch channel for beginners. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically set up our Twitch channel for beginners, it's actually quite very simple to do. You go to twitch.tv, you log into your account, then you click the profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then from here, you simply want to go to the option right here known as channels. And once you go to the channel option that you would be able to find here, you'll be able to see a couple of these details here. From here, what you actually need to do is you need to just go ahead and click on customize channel depending upon what kind of settings you'd like to customize. So you can go to your profile settings, choose a username, you can choose a display name, a bio for your channel, and add a few social links as well. You can go to the about section, you can choose to schedule videos if you have any sort of videos, in this case in the schedule tab. You can see your current videos that you might have uploaded, and you can also choose to chat with your people and community. This way you should be able to set up your Twitch streaming channel as a beginner. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.